In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display the clipboard on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So there's a few different ways. You could select the Command and Space key to open up Spotlight, and then press the Command and 4 key to access the clipboard history. And then you could select the little magnifying glass up at the top and select or search for clipboard. Go ahead and select Show Clipboard right there. You can also select the Finder icon and then Edit as an alternative option. If there are any items in the clipboard, they should appear. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.